In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave WhatsApp groups without anyone knowing. If you're in a busy group that isn't for you anymore, but you don't want to make a scene, WhatsApp now lets you exit quietly. In practice, this means only the group admins are notified that you left. Other members won't see a system message in the chat. To make sure this works as described, keep your WhatsApp app or web version up to date. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone or in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and on the main chat screen so you can see your conversations. Next, open the group you want to leave. You can find it by scrolling through your chats or using the search bar to type the group's name. Give it a moment to load so the group header appears at the top. Now tap the group subject or name at the very top of your screen. This opens the group info page, which is where WhatsApp keeps all the settings and details for that chat. You'll see things like the group description, media, participants, and various controls. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the group info page. Near the end of the list, you'll find the option labeled Exit Group. It's placed below the participants list and other settings, so keep scrolling until you reach the bottom. When you see Exit Group, tap it once. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm. On this screen, you'll see a reminder that only group admins will be notified. This is your assurance that the rest of the group won't get a public alert about your exit. If that looks right, proceed. Finally, tap Exit again to confirm. That second tap is important. It's the action that actually removes you from the group. After a moment, you'll be taken back to your chats. The group will no longer accept messages from you, and you won't receive new notifications from it. A few quick notes for clarity. Your past messages remain visible to others in the chat history. Leaving doesn't erase what you previously sent. If you still see the conversation in your chats list, that's normal. It simply becomes inactive for you. You can leave it there for reference or manage it like any other chat later. This process works similarly on Android, iPhone, and WhatsApp web. The wording and placement are consistent, though the buttons may look slightly different depending on your device theme. That's it. Quiet, quick, and respectful. Follow these steps anytime you need a clean exit without drawing attention. Thanks for watching and take care.